The HMS Adelaide is already here in the north. They are based out there at Ngaloa. So according to the work program, they will be stationed there until the 8th of January. So the task now is for them to work on the Ngaloa school. We will cordon off that area, so they will be isolated there for that period, just to cover the remaining time that they have for COVID protocol, before they get deployed to the main island to assist in the first fix of our schools. We have set a target that we hand over the school facilities to the Ministry of Education by the 11th of January. So that is our target. Engineers, RFMF engineers are currently working on some of the schools around the mainland. So we will get joined by our ADF partners. We will get joined by them after the 8th of that is if they are tested negative again.